to achieve a flawless, effortless, simple, easy makeup look without using any foundation. So if you would like to see how I did it, keep watching. I always like to take the end of this eyebrow pencil spoolie and just brush up my eyebrows. Definitely one of my go-to makeup looks if I'm in a rush and I just want to feel like I'm put together. Just start at the bottom of my eyebrows and just kind of trace the bottom. Okay, so to clean out my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer. So I'm gonna use a concealer that's a MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in shade NW40, which is a little bit darker than the NC45. So this is NW40 and NC45. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one to clean out my eyebrows. Skin is dry right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just show my skin some love and use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is a primer and a moisturizer. For some reason my skin is just super dry. Do color corrector. I'm using the Makeup Forever color corrector. This concealer is actually becoming one of my go-to. If you notice, I haven't been reaching for my LA Girl corrector. And I really like this too because this is super lightweight and it's a light coverage. I'm excited to do some fall makeup looks. I'm thinking about a couple of ideals that I have in mind that I want to do later on this month for a fall look. Okay, so for the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and use concealer because there's no foundation. For some reason lately, I've just been like keeping my concealer like right in the center of my face. In the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And with this concealer, I like to do 1 or 2 coats because to me, this concealer is more of a lightweight and is buildable up to a medium coverage. And I'm just bringing the concealer all the way up to my lid area. For blush, I'm using this Creamy Rare Beauty. And look, that's too much. To set the under eye concealer, I'm taking Laura Mercier setting powder in Honey. So for foundation, I'm using a Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Face Powder in shade 410. Bronzer, which is the Bobbi Brown Bronzer Powder in Deep. Take the same bronzer and contour my nose. And normally when I don't wear any eyeshadow, just take whatever's left over on the brush from the bronzer, just kind of sweep it over my eyelid in a crease area, just to give my eyes some type of definition. This look is so easy and effortless and easy to achieve. Because a lot of times people are terrified of using foundation because they don't want to look cakey or like a different person. And you still get this flawless look without using any foundation. For a highlight, I'm using Cover FX and Candle Light. just right there. And just do a light coat because I'm going to add lashes and Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. To give me a little bit more drama to the eyes, I'm adding the Liddy Lashes in Mykonos. Once my lashes on, I'll just take my fingers and just pinch my real lashes in with the falsies. Okay, so the next step is lips, using Makeup Forever lip pencil. For lipstick, I'm using MAC Lipstick Yes, which is a matte nude lipstick. For lip gloss, I'm using Artist Contour lip gloss in, let's see, La Freak. Finish off my face, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this pretty much completes my look. What do you guys think? Came out as super easy, effortless. You don't have to use any foundation and you still get that flawless touch. What do you guys think? Okay guys, like always, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me, and I will see you guys in my next video.